Hi, good morning all. 8:37 in the morning. We just had some news out of Turkey that a plane has been shot down. So we are, and equities having a big sell-off now because that everything's looking heavy. S&P now testing the bottom of this sideways range that it's been in for the past couple of days. What I'm trying to wait for now is a more confirmed momentum push. See if we can punch through below, and then what I'm going to try to do is just jump on the back of it and catch it to at least today's S2, which is at 2070.50, and maybe even lower. So this is trade I'm thinking of now. As always, timing is everything, guys. Just be patient, wait for that bigger push. There is going to be some initial profit taken down here. A couple of technical guys wanting to get the long as well to play this range, but I'm looking for a fundamental momentum push to the downside. So I'm going to wait now, see if we can get that decisive push lower, and then I'm going to look about see about getting some orders on. So this is my trade I'm looking for, guys. Trying to nail the breakout short at S1. Yeah, it looks like it wants to go, and then it just pulls back. It seems like the momentum is leveling off for now. So what I'm going to do is just sit back, hold tight, and see if I can get that other push in equities lower before I try and jump on. It's always the hardest part of these kind of moves is timing the momentum, getting that momentum right, and not getting caught at shorting the lows here. So this is the difficulty with breakout trading, is making sure that momentum is there. So what I'm going to do now is just move it over to a 15-minute chart. Just keep an eye around about these lows. If we start testing these lows, I'm gonna start to apply the stamping on ice effect. Let it get let it get weaker the more the level is pushed, and then anticipate that pop below as it takes out a couple of stops. But right now, being the lows of S1 and yesterday's low is being defended now by the bulls. I don't think it's going to hold. I'm well and truly bearish on this now, as the confirmed rumours come in to say it's definitely been shot down. It's definitely Russian, no violation of a Syrian airspace, which is what Turkey are claiming. So this is what I'm waiting for now, guys. Still waiting for this push lower. Okay, right, new lows here. It's gonna go. Let me see if I can get this fill now. Okay, equity's taking another push. Come on, just you don't want to be too aggressive in this. You just want to wait a little bit for that pullback, which is what I'm going to do now. So my order's on that 2076.50. Let's see if I can catch it. It's so stressful when you're just trying to catch a move, but you don't want to get caught on the lows here. No, this is going. I'll let you know. I'll let you know if I get a fill on this. Okay, so I missed that initial break. Always hard to get it right, but I'm now waiting for this classic entry of a short. We've had a decent push lower. It went down to S2, or the booked profit, and now I'm just waiting to try and catch it again round about the 2076 handle. Now waiting for a bit of a retrace, and then just going to try and trade this range. Okay, so I've got my orders on round about 2076. Going to place my stop nice and high as well above here, and just to make sure I give this trade plenty of room to breathe. But yeah, I'm trying to get a fill now, so I can ride this back down to the lows of S2. But yeah, decent downward momentum, and I think this will be the theme for markets for definitely the morning session at least. Okay, just got filled now, 2076. Gonna see if I can just get that second clip in as well now. But yeah, filled on one, waiting for the other now. Come on. Okay, now just got filled in on my two clips now at 2076. Let's see if we can ride it down. Definitely looking to take the first clip off round about just above S1 now, at S2, so at 2071. Right, so still getting tested, and let's see if this comes off. Okay, bit of a tough hold now in this S&P. We've got initial rejection of entry, nasty little spike all the way to test yesterday's low. So it was a good place that I put my stop just above here to allow this level to get tested. Really want to see the S&P sell off now. So hopefully that momentum is going to come in and push it back down to S2, where it can stay within this range now between S1 and hopefully the day's lows. So here we are, had that rejection, and I will be looking now to try and trade manage this a bit more tighter, not have so much risk exposed. But for the time being, going to leave everything as it is, give this trade plenty of room to breathe, and I will give you another update in the next couple of minutes, hopefully. Okay, have decided to bail out of this S&P, not moving anywhere, and I might try and getting another entry now round about yesterday's high, which could be a better option, because I did like where the sellers decided to step in. So looking now around about 2078 for an entry short, to see if I can then catch this down move again. Okay, so time. Sorry, guys, 1 minute. All right, so time to have to start a trailing stop now. I am okay. I am still in this S&P trade here, but now what I'm going to do is just move my stop down to break even, and yeah, just take off the risk from here. If it gets back up there, back to yesterday's low, I just want out of this trade now. So I'm going to hold now. First target to S2. I might take the whole lot off there, or seeing what the momentum is like when it does get down to there, I'll see if I can hold to low of the day. So SP short still in effect from 2078. Okay, finally, long hold on that S&P. Just taking my first clip off here. Going to hold the second one now down to the low of the day. More bearish comments coming out. More rumours of a Russian helicopter now just being shot down. So this should see equities continue to fall here. So just taking off my last, going to take off my last clip down at the very lows of the day. And yeah, so this would be a good trade based on some very bad negative news coming out of Russia. Okay, and there ends a long and very tiring trade. Hold on, that was my ladder here on the S&P. Yeah, I gave back a lot of profit. Should have taken both clips off at S2. I was thinking that we are going to at least test the low of the day when equities were looking heavy again after the fundamental news that's been coming out all day. But no, I'm out now at scratch. Enough is enough. I'm glad to have banked a bit of profit, but it would have been nice to have got some more. So yeah, they don't all work well, and this is what happens when you try and leave some position on for the bigger move. It can retrace. It has retraced for me, but I'm still glad I walk away with a bit of profit on this trade. So that's it. All out of this S&P now, and on to the next opportunity.